Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video let's learn about how to redeem Domino's gift card. So let's get started. At first let's get into any browser and search for Domino's gift card. And click on this first website over here. Here we can see gift card button over here and simply tap on gift card over here. Now once we click on this activate over here, we can see this activate your card option. Here we need to enter our card number, card pin if it is available, and enter the mobile number here. Once we have done, click on I am not a robot tick mark over here, and you can simply click on get OTP to get the OTP for gift card. Once you verify with OTP, you can redeem your Domino's gift card. So this is how we can redeem Domino's gift card. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.